You want to sing a song for Mommy? Huh? You want to sing for me? Okay. You want to pet my baby? Okay, you want to sing a song and I'll pet you. Sing for me. Sing a nice song. Sing. Sing. Sing a song. Sing a song for Mommy. No, I'm not petting you till you sing. Sing. A nice song. Sing. Oh, that's lovely. I like that song. Okay, I'll sing. I'll pet you now. Okay, I'll pet you now. A nice pet. Okay. I'll pet you if you can sing a song for me. Sing. Okay, I'll sing now. If you like to sing for me? Do you like singing for me? I want you to sing really nice. Sing a song for me. Come on. Sing a song for me, Patty. You want to sing? Oh, good boy. I pet you. You want to sing, though? Oh, I better stop petting you because you won't sing. No, higher, higher. Sing high. Sing. Okay, I'll pet you then. Okay, it's okay. I'll pet you. I love you so much. You're such a beautiful singer. You're the best singer on The Voice. Oh, yes, you are. You just love singing, don't you?